guys, I'm Weston Delaney. Any minute now, we should pop out another bale. We have 9 bales baled. Here we go. There it is. This is that bale, another more. Let's get back in a little bit. There'll be probably another bale. Stay tuned. Keep on watching.